Hey there, this is Omron M6 Comfort blood pressure monitor. In this video I will unbox this BP monitor and I will show you how to make the proper setting in this BP monitor and how to measure blood pressure at home with Omron M6 Comfort. So stay with me and watch this video until the end. As you can see, the Omron M6 Comfort is packed in a carry box. Let's open the box and see what is inside this one. There is the booklet guide. You have to read these booklets before using any BP monitor. These are available in multi languages and your home country language will be there if you read it well. Before using the Omron M6 Comfort, making the basic setting is important because this comes with the new features and you have to make proper setting and know each and everything. So after that you will measure the correct BP. As you can see, this is the monitor. If you see into the interface, there is systolic, diastolic and pulse rate. These are battery cells used for this monitor. A comfortable arm cuff. This is the comfortable arm cuff which we will wrap around the arm for BP measurement. Now I will show you how to install the batteries properly, because sometimes the device is not working and maybe you are confused with it. Open the black flip here as you can see and install the battery cells correctly according to the plus and minus sign. As shown in the device, you have to keep the side of the battery according to the minus and plus sign, and your battery will be installed correctly and your device will start working. If you are not using the Omron M6 Comfort for a long time, so please remove the battery cell from the BP monitor, because this battery cells if damaged, so this can damage the BP monitor. And one thing I will tell you here, when you install the batteries, so your device needs proper setting. For example, the date and time should be set in the device. Each and every time when you remove the batteries and install it again, so the device is reset and you have to make the setting. Now install the arm cuff here. As you can see, put this one in here in the BP monitor. Make sure the tube is installed properly, and now we have to make the proper setting here. Press this button as you can see in the screen. So the first thing here will appear will be the ear. So edit the ear by pressing this button. As you can see, you can bring to 2020, 2021 and by clicking this OK button. Now this is the date. Now by pressing these left and right button, you can edit the date also. Select the month and press OK. Then this is the date. Select the date and press the OK button. Now let's set the time here. As you can see, this is the 22, this is the hour. So select your local time and edit by pressing these left and right buttons as you can see in the screen here. Okay, this is in the 24-hour time format. Change to the local time and then press the OK button and edit also the minutes and press OK. Now the time is set. After setting the time, so you should look into your monitor screen. This is the systolic mmHg. This will give you the systolic blood pressure. The color will be changed if your BP is elevated. This is the diastolic mmHg, will give you the diastolic BP, and this is the pulse rate. Now here this OK button will be green if your arm cuff is wrapped properly. If the arm cuff is too loose, so this sign will be orange color. So you have to remove the arm cuff and wrap it properly again. This sign, as you can see on the screen, this is for the morning blood pressure measurement and for the evening blood pressure measurements. The device will save your BP data when you measure BP in the morning and in the evening. In this video, I will explain how to use Omron M6 Comfort properly. But if you want to know how to use digital BP monitor properly, so open the link above and watch that video in which I have explained how to use digital BP monitor at home properly. Now let me show you how to use Omron M6 Comfort and how to wrap the arm cuff, or how to wear the arm cuff. And to the left hand, as you can see, this is the arm cuff. Hold from this thumb point, as you can see on the cuff. Wear to the arm exactly like this, or even you can wrap it around the arm. It's comfortable and easy to use. Now look at here. Keep this tube in the middle of your left hand, running to your palm, and hold in the middle finger. And keep this arm cuff at least 2 cm above from the elbow. Wrap it properly, as you can see, at least 2 cm above from the elbow. And don't tie it too tight or too loose. By pressing the start button, the Omron M6 Comfort will start BP measurement. As you can see in the screen, it start BP measurement and will give the result in systolic mmHg, diastolic mmHg, and will also give the pulse rate. The green button here indicates the arm cuff is wrapped properly. If the arm cuff is not wrapped properly, so you will get another indicator in the orange color here beside this green one. Now as you can see, the BP result we will get here in the systolic and the diastolic. As you can see, this shows the BP as elevated, but there are certain limitations for using digital BP monitors. Open the link above and watch that video in which I have explained properly how to use a digital BP monitor correctly. Now I will show you how to measure BP with the right hand. The method for the right hand is different. I have also explained this one in that video. As you can see, the tube should be in the inner side of your right hand, but not in the middle of your arm. Okay, and wrap it properly here. And by pressing the start button, the device will start BP measurement. Keep the tube in the inner side of your hand and keep the arm cuff at least 2 cm above from the elbow. And the tube should be in the inner side but not below your hand. Now you see we will get a different BP result here. So consult with your physician which of your hand is suitable for BP measurement, because both hands are different in BP measurement and give the different BP results. As you can see, the Omron M6 started the inflation and will measure BP and the systolic, diastolic, and will also give the heart rate here. The BP result here will be different than the left arm. As you can see, it's also showing elevated, but the results are different. So please watch another video in which I have explained properly how to use a digital BP monitor, so you will understand why you get here the high BP results. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe and healthy.